Facebook videos not working on your Android? If Facebook videos are not playing on your Android and you are looking for a way to fix this issue, in this video we will show you how to fix Facebook video not playing on Android. The first and most easy way you can try to fix this error is to update your Facebook app. Go to the Play Store, search for Facebook. If it shows an update option, tap on it to update the app. Once updated, check if Facebook videos not working problem is fixed. Second is open Facebook app. Tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. Tap on Shortcuts, then Shortcuts bar. Here tap on this drop down icon next to the watch option and select Pin from the pop-up menu. This will help you fix the Facebook video not playing issue on Android. Third is go to Settings on your phone. Tap on Apps and Notifications, then tap on See All Apps. Here search for Facebook and tap on it. Tap on Storage and Cache, and from here clear the storage and cache. So that's it. Hope these solutions will help you to fix the Facebook video not playing problem on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.